The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island out 20 nautical miles, Mississippi Sound, until 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:16 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 9 nautical miles south of Horn Island, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels and oil rigs, and create suddenly higher waves. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Boaters should avoid waterspouts and never try to navigate near them. Move to safe harbor or shelter immediately until the threat passes. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with this storm. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following marine locations: Mississippi Sound, and coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island out 20 nautical miles.